Hi guys, thank you for clicking another one of my videos. So this week I have these brown nails with like gold sparkly details, and I'm gonna link below, or try to, the picture that I was inspired by. It's from Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. So I've already prepped the nails. If you want to know how I prep the nails, then please just check out like the first couple of my videos. I show you in detail there how I prep the nails. But yeah, we're gonna start off with this nude color, and I'm just gonna apply that not halfway through, just below halfway through the nail, because we're gonna create like a French tip. Yeah. So now I'm taking this brown and I'm gonna apply that to 3 of the nails and then cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that's nice and dry, I'm going to go in with my second layer of the same gel polishes, but I'm not going to cure it just yet because I'm going to start working on the gold glitter gel polish designs. So using my small brush, I'm gonna very light-handedly draw a single line down the middle of the pinky nail, very light-handedly because it's a very pigmented gel polish and I don't want it to be too bright. So now, leaving the gold polish to the side, I'm gonna work on the marble nail, the marble accent nail, and I'm gonna take that same nude color and draw 2 to 3 diagonal stripes. So after giving the brush a quick wipe, I'm gonna dip straight into the brown polish and do the same as I did with the new polish, which is just draw a diagonal line across the nail. And you'll see that I'll do this also again with another nudie colour, and you want to kind of blend them in together so they look like a seamless marble blend. Going back in with the gold polish, I'm just going to lightly drag that across the nail diagonally. Okay, now that's all done, cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going to work on the French tip nail. It's pretty easy, pretty basic. I'm just applying the brown polish on the clear parts. I'm trying to get as best as I can a nice curve on the nail. Now I'm also adding the gold gel polish onto the nail, just 2 simple stripes diagonally across the front of the nail. That felt like it went super quick, but we're at the end, guys. I'm just applying a shine top coat and then I'll cure that for 60 seconds and that is it. These are the nails all done. I love how the gold just subtly glistens, like it's not too bright and it's not enough, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. As always, my links will be down below. Follow my Instagram and my website, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.